When you guys are done, you're going to go to the blue part of the screen called the desktop. You're going to right click and you're going to go to a new folder. You're going to type in LED projects. Then you're going to click OK and you'll have this new folder appear on your desktop screen. Then you're going to go and you're going to click on save and you're going to be prompted with this window that's currently bugged, but at the top it'll say name. We're going to name this file LED part 1 because it's part 1 of the project. So LED part 1, and it's supposed to be at the bottom right, but it's cut off right now. So you're just going to click enter on the keyboard, which will save this file. But you have to make sure to go to desktop and then go to LED projects by double clicking. A double click on the mouse looks like 1, 2. And then inside of LED projects, you're going to hit enter with the keyboard, which will save that file. And then it will be prompted, would you like to change it to be .py? Usually Python files have a .py extension. You're going to click yes, and then this untitled file will then be saved as LED part 1, and it will live inside of this folder, LED projects. Next class, when you open it up, if you just naturally click on it, it's going to open in the wrong code editor. It's going to open in something called Geany, not THONNY. So when you're going to your folder, you're going to right click on it and you're going to click on THONNY, which will open it up with the THONNY Python editor. In a future class, I'll show you how to uninstall Geany, but that will open your project in THONNY. That's how you submit. Then finally, when you're up to part 2, you're going to want to copy your code by selecting everything, clicking copy, then clicking new file. Then you're going to paste your code and you're going to save your new code as go to home, go to desktop, go to LED projects, and you're going to call this LED part 2. And then you're going to click enter because you can't click the save button. And it will again prompt you, would you like to change it to .py? You click yes. And then you have LED part 2, which lives in this folder. And this is where you're going to modify your code. Your goal in this is to create a loop. So you're going to want to say for I in range, and you're going to want to make it so that when you click run, your light flashes on and off. But that will be the instructions for the next video.